Katherine, and we're on What's Cooking for Dinner. Tonight we're going to be cooking pork carnitas, green chili enchiladas. Right now we're just letting this cook up till it gets to be tender, and then we'll start throwing in some other stuff. Okay, now that we got the meat going, we're going to cut up a half an onion and we'll throw it in and add it to the meat mixture. Alright, now we are going to add a can of the green chili mix. Alright, now that we've got our mixture all prepared and ready, we're going to set it aside, and then we're going to do up the corn tortillas and get them ready to assemble, and that will be in a separate video.